The purpose of this video is to show how to add in a random column and then convert our data into a table and then sort all of our data by your random column and your null identifier column. To start with, we're going to label your new column name. In this case, I'll title it random. From here, we will add in your random function equals rand parentheses and hit enter. And from here you can see that it added in a random value, and we want this random value to be included in all the rows. So we can just simply click here, hold and drag this down, and it will auto-populate all the random values for each row. Now I want these values to be static, meaning I don't want them to change as we work with our data. So from here I'm going to right click, hit copy, and then I'm going to right click again and select the paste option that says values. Now our values will be static and not change as we work with the data. Next, we are going to convert this into a table to make the sorting process easier. So we will start from A1, which is the beginning part of our table, drag it all the way down and over to include everything we want in our table. At the top here, we will see Format as Table, so simply click that, select a style. In this case, we do have table headers, as you can see up here that I've selected them. Click OK. Now from here, I want to sort it, the random columns from the smallest to biggest, and I want all my null identifiers to be on the bottom. So first we will click the random column, select Sort Smallest to Largest, and then after that we will select our null identifier column, sort A to Z, and you can see all of my null values are now at the bottom, and my random column is from smallest to biggest. And that is how you add in a random column and sort by random and your null identifiers.